Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So last week I did the first LOTO lock that I ever had, and then now is one of the mirrored keyways, the 417 key. Let's see how we get on with this. I've had several of these. This is one of the first ones that I got. And then I gave a bunch away. So let's see, I had 6, kept 1, gave some away. Broke 1 open for another lock, so I gave 4 away. Then I bought 6 more, and I've given all those away of the mirrored keyway. I think they're kind of neat and something good to have in your collection. So I've sent them to a couple of different people, so they had the reverse keyway. Okay, I'm gonna start from the front and just kind of touch. Just go down touching each pin. And then I got a false set. So between light tension, and I just dropped the pins. So between light tension and, like I said last week, I don't like to put the tension wrench all the way in because it makes it harder to get that number 1 pin. So let's see, let's go down the list again, down the row again. Okay, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I let off a little bit of pressure because I felt like I had an overset. And now let's go to 1. Getting counter rotation. There we go. 2. 2 feel set. And 3. There we go. Thought I was going to lose the tension wrench there. And just like I used to do when I had a bunch of locks on here. One time I had probably 12 locks on here. Between standard and reverse keyways. Maybe not that many, maybe only 8. And don't want to rattle it, so twist it into a counterclockwise position. And there's the reverse keyway. And there's the standard one that we did last week. So that's it. So next couple of weeks, and next week I'll be doing probably this magnetation in a 410 core, and then after that I'll do the 417 core that I put into a magnetation. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day.